Doing business online these days has never been easier. So having a clickable link or a button to accept payments online as well is absolutely essential. So in this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a PayPal button or link to accept payments, and that's coming up right now. So how do we set up a PayPal button so we can start accepting payments online? Well, it's very, very simple, and I'm going to show you some very quick and simple steps in this video. So firstly, we need to go to paypal.com, and you'll need to set up an account for yourself, and you can decide whether you want to set it up for you as an individual or for yourself as a business. So I will let you decide on which one is best for you, and then we log in. And then you will come to a page like this, which is a bit like your home page. So you need to go up to the top, and I'm going to click on the drop-down menu, Pay and Get, the button that's called Pay and Get Paid. And then I'm going to come over here to the right-hand side and click on PayPal buttons. So very simple. And straight away, it's going to now show you which of these buttons that you can quickly create, or which of these buttons or which of these links, depending on how you actually set it up. So there's a few options. Over here on the right-hand side, once you've got some PayPal buttons or clickable links saved, you can actually view them here. And here's a whole list of a lot of saved buttons that I've already created previously. Now, the simplest of all of these buttons I believe we should all be creating is the Buy Now button, and we can create this button, or we can create this link, and you can start sharing it online, and you can start accepting payments online. That's what this video is all about, to show everyone how simple it is to start taking payments with a PayPal button online. So choose a button type. So we've got shopping cart, buy now, donations as we saw, but I'm going to keep it very simple. Now, we name the item just for reference. Here we go, 2021 accept payments online. So that's what I'm going to name the button. If you then wanted to give yourself a further an ID reference for reconciliation, you can. But select your currency. For me, it's Aussie dollars in this one. I'm going to select $47. Maybe I have to put in the decimal point as well. And then, okay, so we do have some options here where you can have a drop-down menu with multiple pricing. Again, there's some simple ones there as well. But this is how simple it is, and I'm going to keep it its most simplest form for you. We name the button, we put the amount in, we put the currency in, create button, and we are effectively done. Now, PayPal give us these links. So to actually get the button that you see here where you click the link, you would need to embed this particular code into your website, and that would actually create a button for you, a clickable button. So I suppose it's a clickable button, I suppose, is what we're talking about, or a link as well. But it may well be just the link as well. So I could now email this link to people. They could then click on the link, and then up would pop my PayPal shopping cart for $47 that we've just created. So let's copy and paste this into a new web browser and show you the end result of that. And when I do that, you can automatically see popping up, it's registered that the link that I've put into Google is a $47 PayPal link. There we go. There's the name of the button, 2021 accept online. If you want to click on more, there would have been more details there. So that's how simple it is to start accepting payments online. That's how simple it is to create a clickable link or a button on PayPal.